Hi students, we are going to see trigonometry exercise 6.2 second sum. Find the value of the following: tan 45 degree cosecant 30 degree plus secant 60 degree divided by cot 45 degree minus 5 sin 90 degree divided by 2 cos 0. You know the values, previous class we have seen. Always keep in your mind the formula, then only we can find easily. Okay, value of the tan 45, value 1. Cosecant 30 means sin 30 value 1 by 2, sin 30 value 1 by 2, reciprocal 2 by 1 2. Secant 30, secant 60 means cos 60 value 1 by 2, reciprocal 2 by 1, that is 2. Cot 45 value 1 and minus sin 90 degree, 5 into sin 90 degree value 1, 2 into cos 0 value 1, that is 1 by 2 plus 2 by 1 value is 2 minus 5 by 2. 2 minus, see that one here, 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2, denominator is same. Subtract the value 1 minus 5. 1 minus 5, what is the value? Minus 4 by 2. Cancel 2 minus 2 value 0. With the answer. Second sum, sin 90 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cos 45 degree into sin 30 degree plus cos 0 degree minus cos 45 degree. Sin in 90 degree value 1, cos 60 degree value 1 by 2, cos 45 degree 1 by root 2, and similarly sin 30 degree 1 by 2, cos 0 value 1, cos 45 degree 1 by root 2. Now taking LCM of in these two values, LCM cross multiply 2 plus 1 by 2. Now 1 by root as it, right as it is. Here taking LCM 1 plus 2 by 2 minus 1 by root 2. Simplify 3 by 2 plus 1 by root 2, 3 by 2 minus 1 by root 2. Okay, the form is A plus B, A minus B form. A plus B, A minus B. What is the value? A squared minus B squared. A squared means 3 by 2 whole square minus 1 by root 2 whole square. 3 by 2 whole square, 3 by 2 into 3 by 2, that is 9 by 4. 1 by root 2 means 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. What is the value? Root 2 into root 2, 2. That is 1 by 2. Here the denominator 4 value. Then we want to see the value equal to 4. Then multiply it by 2. Both the numerator and the denominator multiply it by 2. 9 by 4 minus 2 by 4. Simplify, we get 7 by 4. Okay, third sum, sin squared 30 minus 2 cos cube 60 plus 3 tan power 4 45 degree. Sin 30 value 1 by 2 whole square minus 2 cos 60 1 by 2 whole cube plus 3 tan 45 1 power 4. Here whole square means 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. This is 1 by 4. Here 2 into, here 1 by 2 cube means multiply 3 times. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Multiply 1 by 8 plus 3 into 1 power 4 means 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. That is 4 times. Okay, 4 times means multiply value 1. No value, then 3 only. So 1 by 4 minus 2 into 1 by 4 cancel, also 1 by 4 plus 3 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 cancel, the value is 3. Okay. And third sum, verify cos 3a equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a when a equal to 30 degree given. Solution, a equal to 30 degree, LHS cos 3, a equal to 30 degree, multiply 90 degree, cos 90 degree value 0. Next RHS, substitute 30 degree, 4 cos cube 30 degree minus 3 cos 30. So 4 cos 30 value root 3 by 2 whole cube minus 3 into cos 30 root 3 by 2. 4 into root 3 by 2 whole cube means, what's the meaning? Root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2, 3 times. Okay, root 3 into root 3, 3 root 3. 3 root 3, 2 into 2 into 2, 8. Here 3 root 3 by 2. Cancel 3 root 3 by 2 minus 3 root 3 by 2. Subtract the same value, we get 0. LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, cos 3a equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Fourth sum, find the value of 8 sin 2x cos 4x sin 6x when x equal to 15 degree given. Substitute 8 sin 2 into 15 degree cos 4 into 15 degree sin 6 into 15 degree. 8 sin 2 into 15 degree 30 degree cos 4 into 15 degree 60 degree sin 6 into 15 degree 90 degree. 8 into sin 30 value 1 by 2 into cos 60 value 1 by 2 sin 90 value 1. Now cancel 4 times, cancel 2 times. The value equal to 2. We get the answer. Thank you, students.